Hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Matt Dawson, and this is another edition of the Matt Dawson Lawn Channel. Today we are going to do a little challenge with humic and fulvic acid. The front yard is going to get a standard rate of the Simple Grow or Simple Lawn Solutions humic fulvic acid. The backyard is not. We're going to see if this encourages any grow up. Let's get to it. All right, I want to do 3 ounces per 1,000. I think we're going to need 10 ounces because I have about 3,500 in the front yard. Hey, welcome back, guys. It's been 1 week since I put the humic acid down on the front lawn. I'm laying in my cozy backyard right now trying to soak in the rays. So let's go ahead and cue the drone video. Boom, go! As you can see, the raking in the front yard and the fulvic humic acid in the front yard has a bigger green up than in the backyard. You'll notice in the backyard there's a ring around the outside. That's all green, but the inside where I didn't rake, I didn't put any fulvic acid, no green up. A little bit of green up, but not a whole lot. So, what is humic fulvic acid? Well, you can get on YouTube or Google and find out the actual scientific information on it and what it does to your soil profile. But essentially, it's a long chain carbon molecule. All right, it's going to condition your soil. It is not a fertilizer, but it's going to help your fertilizer program really get the job done on your lawn and get you that nice green, thick, full turf. Now, one application isn't going to be a game changer. The front yard's had humic and fulvic acid for multiple applications. The backyard has the same fertilizer program, but has never had humic or fulvic acid. So, you know, there's a chance that last year's applications of humic and fulvic added up enough to really make a game changer in the front. That just tells you, start that program this year, add it this spring. You can do applications all the time as long as the soil's not frozen. And it's going to start to change your soil profile big time. You can buy it, it's different brands. You can buy a granular formulation, you can buy a liquid formulation, you can buy products that actually already have it in there. So your fertilizer, like I don't know, an 1803 or something like that, might have fulvic and humic acids in it. So that is going to be the way to make your lawn a game changer this year. If you like this video, I'd love a like. If you want to stick around, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Oh, and I just want to thank everybody for all the support. It's been awesome. You guys are awesome rocks.